Views, privacy, location, all remodeled, sold fully furnished in this beautiful Kona Heavens home. Just under 2,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 35 owned solar panels, 3 backup batteries, split AC throughout the home, custom finishes, fully remodeled, can lighting, top of the line furniture, pool deck resurfaced, non-slip. Aloha and welcome to this exceptional property located in the desired neighborhood of Kona Heavens. This gorgeous property sits on just over 1 acre that is fully fenced in. Once you enter the property, you're greeted by these beautiful Pacific Ocean views. Kona Heavens is one of the most desired areas to live because you're right in town, you're right by the airport, you're right by the sandy beaches, and you're gonna get these beautiful ocean views up here. These are custom homes. This home sits just under 2,500 square feet interior. This covered lanai is over 600 square feet. And then the sellers have extended the lanai all the way down for your entertaining area. The pool deck has been redone and with a non-slip surface. You've got the heated pool, you have the spa, plenty of spots to gather and just relax here. Once inside the property through the great room, you just came through these pocket doors that open all the way into the wall. The best part about these pocket doors is you can leave them open all day long because there's a screen. So if you want, you can pull the screen just like this and it will go all the way across. Leave it open, feel those breezes even more. This whole home was redone in 2023 with modern elegance. You'll see here there's a 128-inch quartz countertop right here, a farm sink, you've got the gas stove top with an electric range, all while still having these magnificent views. On our warmer Kona days, you've got the split AC, and then as you make your way down the hall, you're gonna go into the butler's pantry. So you've got another refrigerator, a wine cooler, a bar sink, make it a coffee stand. And then what's great is you even have a pocket door right here that you can close, adding any privacy that you want. If you're entertaining or just need some time to yourself in the morning. We've got the full bathroom that has been fully redone with the rain shower head, the large tile throughout the shower, river rock bottom, quartz countertops, really lightened. And then what's really nice is how they installed the fixtures. You're going to turn the shower on and then step in. The details here have not been missed. When you walk back here, you have the 2 bedrooms, which also have their own entry out to the lanai through their lanai cider door. They each also have the can lighting, split ACs. And depending on how you come, if you come through the garage here, then you'll enter in through the laundry room area. So there's lots of space throughout this home, feeling of separation, but yet also the cohesiveness of everything. And on those warm days, you won't feel guilty about running the split AC because there's 35 owned solar panels with this property, 3 backup batteries. As you make your way to the south wing of the home, you'll find the half bathroom, which is nice that it is separated off of the great room. And then inside the primary bedroom, you have all this extra lighting with the extra windows in here, another split AC, lanai doors. All the details of this home have really been thought out for you. You can even create your own primary bedroom sitting area if you just want to have this space private for yourself. There's just lots of room here, lots of space, but yet not overwhelming. It feels just right. Through the primary bathroom suite, this has been fully remodeled. The shower, the tile, the quartz countertops, double sink, storage, soaking bathtub. A really fun part here is if you come on out here, you've got an outdoor shower, which is enclosed by this gorgeous rock wall. So you've got anthurium flowers flourishing back here. You have orchids, just your own little tropical rainforest while you shower back there. The pocket door divides the bathroom as well, and then you have the walk-in closet that was definitely thought out of for space. Extra storage in there, nice large closet. And as we walk back through the primary bathroom, we can come out here to the south end of the lanai. This morning we had these beautiful Kona breezes. Typically not too breezy up here, it's just right. As the sun is hitting the pool deck. And on this property, you've got monstera, hibiscus, you have tea trees, palm trees, avocado, mango, papaya, pineapple, ulu, which is a type of breadfruit. So as you're walking to the north end of the property, you can see where the extended lanai goes. So you've got the Traeger smoking grill, you've got the barbecue area, more shade back here. You've got another outdoor shower for the guests to use for the pool area. And then what's nice about this 1 acre lot is it's actually really usable. It's not terrace like some can be, so actually you can enter down through the north end of the property, down the steps through the fence here. You've got this nice flat lot, whether you have pets or you just enjoy gardening down there. And then as you make your way to the north end of the property, there's herb beds. So herbs are going to grow really nice at this elevation, which we're just over 1,500 feet here. There's heliconias on the property, African tulips. So once you're through either of the two gated entries, one is electric, pulls right down into the 3-car garage. And then the other entrance is also manual. And then there's also a pedestrian walking gate, so you can walk through the property. And we'll come over here to the south side of the property, where there's another avocado tree. Of course, there's more views. And there's a flat lot here at the south end. You'll see all of the grass, the solar panels for the pool, so you can heat that. And then because this is zoned agriculture, that means that you could essentially have 2 dwellings on this property. So if you had an idea, you could probably go ahead and build something on the south end of the property, checking with Hawaii County. This property is on septic. So you've got the jacuzzi on the one side. As you come through the doors there, you've got more parking. This is a space that if you maybe wanted to do something more here, you could build a little ohana, maybe an agricultural building, more storage. Once you're inside this property, it just feels so peaceful. I mean, it's all redone. It has this mango luxury vinyl plank flooring. Sold fully furnished. So you have the kurikoa tables, mahogany end tables. This property is just beautiful. It is not going to last long, and it is ready for you for the new homeowner.